So this just in, guys, Fidelity is going to create its own Bitcoin ETF. Yeah, my good old Fidelity. That's where I have most of my investments is in Fidelity. And so they're going in on cryptocurrencies. They realize, like most big institutions now, realize that they need to go into cryptocurrencies. It's becoming, which is crazy to think about, it's a safety net for a lot of big companies, and the demand is there. The people have spoken. So here we go. There is an article by CNBC that I just wanted to go over with you guys. Fidelity to launch Bitcoin ETF as investment giant builds its digital asset business. I honestly never thought I would have said that in my lifetime. Well, okay, let me take it back. Not this soon. It's just things are changing so quickly, so rapidly. I'm not surprised, but yet I am, if that makes sense. Like, it makes sense that these big companies, these big giants like Fidelity are starting to follow suit. JP Morgan did. They were an early adopter of having cryptocurrencies, specifically Bitcoin, in some type of portfolio. But now Fidelity is following suit. Now, if you guys don't know, Fidelity is one of the largest institutions to carry 401ks. So to think about these type of investments to be available in things like 401ks is crazy. Now, they're not saying it's going to be available in 401ks, but you know, it's possible, right? So let's see here. Fidelity Investments is preparing to launch its own Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF as the investment giant works to cement its clout in the market for digital assets and virtual currency. FD Funds Management, a subsidiary of Fidelity, said on Wednesday that it plans to provide financial backing for an exchange traded fund called the Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust. The Fidelity-backed trust does not intend to sell Bitcoin. It will use the cryptocurrency to pay certain expenses, which under current IRS guideline will be treated as a sale of such digital currency. To be sure, Fidelity's bid to back a Bitcoin ETF is far from its first venture to expanding world of digital currencies. It established Fidelity Digital Assets in 2018, a subsidiary that has since deployed a cryptocurrency custody and trade execution operations. The early endorsement was enough to draw clients ranging from institutional investors like hedge funds and family offices, according to its top executive. Bitcoin, along with thousands of other digital coins, has seen a flurry of buying over the past 12 months as growing number of investment managers and banks grow comfortable considering it as both a potential investment opportunity and a medium of exchange. So just another testament to the power of cryptocurrencies, and it's here, folks. If you're not in some type of cryptocurrency or Bitcoin or invested in something like that for the long haul, recently I pulled the trigger and invested in Bitcoin. I'll slowly over the years invest more and more, not a large position, but let me tell you this. I've never been a gold investor, silver investor, or bonds investor or anything like that. I've always been only a securities investor, meaning I've only invested in stocks in companies or the entire market. That's the majority of my portfolio, which is in Fidelity. But now cryptocurrency potentially could be that for me, be that gold or that standard, right? That currency, that commodity, whatever bucket that you want to put it in, that might be what that is for my portfolio. So it's interesting. We're living in interesting times. I just thought I would share that with you guys. I thought that was pretty cool. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Your support would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today, guys. We see you in the next one. Bye-bye.